Okay, and then for the submission, I want to make it easy for everyone. This time I want everyone to submit. So Alvin, Kelvin, Vera, no more, no submission. Tidak boleh. I cannot accept it anymore. Because I go over there and then text file. What do you mean by text file? But you need to show me the screenshot lah. To prove that you have done that. Screenshot of your output. Kalau tidak kan, you will fail because you don't know how to apply this in your assignment. Oh, yang ini Wong belum hantar. Let me see, is Wong here? Wong, are you here? Oh, you are here. Wong, don't forget this one, yeah? Practical 5 lab exercise. You just need to do this one. Do the lab exercise without creating any rows. That's it. Okay. So practical 6, practical 5, practical 4 are the data bound controls. Alvin, yang ini you haven't submitted yet. Okay. Just for this one, just follow, do the demo lah. Okay, you do the demo and then submit your work. That's it. Make it simple for you all. Because if you don't have practice, not only you cannot contribute for your assignment, you also cannot answer the final online assessment. Final online assessment ada codingnya. Let's see. Oh, ini siapa? Create wizard. Oh, Vera belum hantar both practical form. Which one are you talking about, Kelvin? The new user. Are you referring to the login controls? Login controls. I thought Noel you said to create the artist and customer. Because once you use the login controls, you can easily, let me see. Okay, let me open my Visual Studio. Toolbox. Where's my, this one, login control. Okay, the create user wizard. There's a login name, login status, login view, change password. Okay. Or you use manually. You didn't use any of the about the role. I've mentioned this earlier on, Kelvin, in the stream here. There's a way for you to get the role. User control. User control is different. The one that we covered yesterday is totally different. Okay, totally different. We are not using any of our user control is not even available here. You need to do include codes for it. You need to create a new. I'm not sure whether I can do right click here. We don't select add new web form. We no longer add new web form, but we need to select the user control. It's not in this right click. Perhaps I need to go out, start from the open project. So yang yesterday user control, Not yet, belum lagi. Okay, this is the login controls, a navigation control, and today's validation control. Okay, let me show you, yeah, Kelvin and also Farah. Here I did show, I shared a few posting here. Let me see. Here, even though there is no administration website to manage users and roles anymore, we can still do the code manually. Okay, do the code manually. It's mentioned in our slide. Okay, let me find my slide first. For membership and role management. Okay. This is the login control. Yeah, perhaps you can take a look at the login control here. Create user wizard. This one. We can still code manually to add the roles. The roles class are from here. Okay, and then the functions available are like you can create role, and then after that you can use add user to role. So when you create role, it will save into your membership the tables. Okay, if you look at your tables, there should be a user table, role table, membership table, all those. So if you create a role, then the role will be added into that particular table, right? And then I did share the example for the roles here. Okay, it's a retired content from Docs Microsoft. Okay, let me scroll down. Oops. Okay, configure your role provider in the web config. This one we know. We set the enable true to our role manager. Included in our slides. The one that you can refer to would be this one. Create and assign role. Okay, step number 3. Okay, since ASP.NET website configuration tool is no longer available, so let's skip this and scroll down. Here we can use the APIs, the one that is mentioned in our slide. This example, roles, create role. So this is the method. So you can create, say for example, for your assignment would be admin, no, not admin, artist, okay, and customer. Okay. Okay, this is how you can add the user to the roles. This is if you want to like do it hard coding, do hard coding lah. Okay, you just use this method, add user to role. So you need to check who are the users that you have in your table. Okay, if this is your customer, say my name lah, Melissa. Okay, already exists in the user table, in the membership table. Then I can add this user Melissa, which can be created. We can use mana sudah login? The create user wizard kan? Okay, and then add into say Melissa as artist or Melissa as customer, right? You can make it simple, hard-coded it. You can hard-coded it. Let's see. There are more examples down here. You can even remove, say, the tables, the membership. Once we register our database to the membership provider, we cannot like from the table we show data, we cannot like delete or insert record from there. We need to use manual codes. So if say you make a mistake and then you want to remove the user from that row, there's a method here, remove user from the row and so on. Okay, this is, you can just do hard coding. Just run it one time. When you run it one time, let me see, then double check your table. If it's already there, then you can come up with a more precise deny and allow authorization. Okay, role based. This one we know already. This is a script. Okay, for this script, I'm assuming that you have a web form. Okay, whereby in this web form there's one button, add to role. So when you click on this, it will trigger the click event. This one, right? Then just an example lah. And then this is another button, remove from role. Okay, you click and then it will remove the user. You can populate your what do you call that? A table, the drop down list with the values from the table. Okay, just give you an example. That is from here. You can still apply this. Okay, that one is under role management. Okay, let me see what else. Hang on. Well, I am still in this Visual Studio. Kelvin, yesterday you asked about the the Nathan's group, the question on the regular expression, the file name. I already tried it out. Okay. Yeah, it was there. I did mention it during the class, so perhaps you all can have a look. Okay. This I create a change my age to file name, text box 2, and then this is I use the regular expression validator. Okay, so let's see what I have here. My text is this symbol, color is red, control to validate is text box 2, which is the second text box. My error message is this. Okay, file name should be up to this is I just simply copy the interpretation from yesterday exercise, and the validation expression is here. Okay, I could just copy from the exercise. So let me run this. So I think the slide, our slide, it means that whenever we see a slash, it means as long as it matches the character. So if it's a slash followed by dot, it means it should match with that particular symbol. Okay, say I have a file name, try, submit. File name should be up to 8 letters or numbers followed by a period, minimum 3, but up to 4 lowercase alphabets. So try dot say JPG. Submit. Double it because it's in uppercase. So try dot JPG, a file name lah. Perhaps you all can add this one in because you have to upload a file name if you want to do that regular expression. And then how about I try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Submit. Cannot, must be up to 8 letters. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Click submit. It works. as appropriate where necessary, because this is according to your logic. Okay, the assignment. Okay, so it works, yeah. From the exercise yesterday. So for Nathan's group, can you have you all done the correction? Okay, this is the one that you're in charge of yesterday in the Google Doc. Have you all made the correction yesterday? Otherwise, let me see, is Nathan in? Or perhaps how? Okay. Thanks, Jeremiah. Okay. So, okay, Jeremiah, perhaps you can screenshot this one. Oops, why it go over there? Oh, what is this? Oh, this is not the latest one. Oh, did I click something? Oh, I clicked something, is it? Oh no. Okay, never mind. Let me copy the see. I put in the checkbox. Mm. Okay, I put in the checkbox. So it means should be up to 8 letters or numbers followed by a period and minimum 3. Okay, that is for this particular pattern. Okay. Suddenly doesn't work. Did I click something? Okay, and another one that I want to show you all, since Kelvin asked about the, what was it? The role management. Okay, I think I should share this. Okay, it's similar to what you're doing for the practical. Let's see. We have a login page. And then we have the, this is the one that I want to show to you all. A bit slow. Okay, so this login page, this is using the control. Okay, once you already create the user, then it will go to your database. Okay, let me open my database. Okay, this database has already been registered to the ASP.NET membership provider. So I can see the membership table here. Show table data. I wonder why my Visual Studio is a bit slow. This is not good. Oh, a bit slow. Okay, and then okay. So under membership, there are a few users already. Okay, and then under users, show table data. And then let me open one more rows, show table data. Okay, under users, so these are the users created using the, let me see, this form. Yeah, this is a create, what do you call this? Create user wizard, kan? Okay, when you use this wizard, automatically it will go to your table. So these are the users, okay, and then the detailed information would be in the membership lah, which also include the password, okay, with the salt and so on. And then for the rows over here, you can create the rows. So how do we populate this? We cannot like simply do a right click, insert, you cannot do that. So must be through the code. So let me show you one example lah. So assume you might want to create a web form to do a administrative work, something like the missing sp.net configuration to website. Okay, a very simple input box. Okay, say roles, you want to add in the artist. So type in artist, click add role. So over here, let me show you the code. Add role, you just use the create role and then get the value from the text box. Okay, so after you do this, you can confirm that the newly created role has been added here. Okay. What else do we have? And then to confirm that the rows has been added, you can like add in a list box. Okay, when you click get row, it will populate your list box. Okay, for example, you use get all rows. Okay, you must use this class. Okay, up here it's in this. Where is it? Is it in here? In web security. Okay, get all rows. Okay, as the data source for your list box, and then you do the data bind. Now, this is the most important thing. Here you allow you to select which user. Okay, and then selecting the user and then add the user to a particular role. So just another, this is just one way of doing it rather than doing a hard coding. So get user, you can use, let me see, okay, from the membership, okay, get all users, right? And this is the data source for your list box and we do the data bind, okay? So all the available users will be listed here. So these users, how do we get it? You need to use the create user wizard lah, kan? Once you create a user using the wizard, it will be inserted to the membership, okay? All this info and then also to the users table. And then the most important thing is this button. This is the most important button, add user to role. So it means you need to select the user here. You can come up with your own way, a much more easier way. Okay, add user to role, get the selected item in the list, and then add it to that particular role. Okay, so the example that I show you from the website, my Microsoft website, it's similar lah, but then here you allow yourself to select which user add to which role, right? Let me try it out. But I already have added the rows. But I would love it if you all can like try it out lah for your prototype extension. Okay. Let's see, any question? Okay, Kelvin, why do you don't want to use the login controls? I thought login controls is much more easier. Then I will download what Noel has uploaded and confirm whether you all are using the login controls or not. Let me close this. Okay, now it's already 3 p.m. Oh yeah, for your submission today, I only want this. Okay, error messages, the screenshots for error messages for empty fields, incorrect format. I want to see you use the message box and also the successfully validated displayed on the form. That's it. Itu saja. Okay, and then using the custom validation, custom validator, this is optional. Unless you want to try it, you go ahead. I'm more than happy if you all try this. But as long as for today you complete what is listed here, you can turn in your submission already. Okay, means as long as you follow my demo video. If there's any comment on the demo video, you can put in comment lah in the Loom there, right? So let me see, since Noel has applied for leave, Farah, I believe I left you and Calvin to do the demo, prototype demo. Okay, so if you're ready, then I will do another recording for that. Prototype.
Yeah, prototype.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So, wait. Oh, a bit slow. Okay, so our prototype will be starting from the login, but I will show you like from how to register lah. So from this login here, we need to like register account. So as a new user, we go for like an artist lah, because before customers need to buy something, we need an artist. So for example of artist, I gave the name like just for example username Yeti, and then her real name is Yetiwa, and the email maybe like Yetiwa 6364 or something, and then gmail.com, and a password just create a simple password lah for this one. So the roles here we choose for the artist. So like after we have like done, then we click register, and it pop up like the account has been registered successfully. And then we go back to login. Say for this one Yeti, and also the entry login page is okay, Yeti, also the TWE123 login. So we're now at the artist pages. So in these pages we have the home. This home is where the artists after they upload, then this is where they show their gallery, like what have they posted into uploaded into Sella. So for this one, for upload painting, we have the painting name, the quantity of the item, and also the price. So the painting name, so let's try to edit flower. So flower, and the quantity maybe like 4. So the price, I just put numbers 120 ringgit. So let's choose the file. Okay, show all files. Where's my desktop? So let's find like a flowers. Okay, yeah, this one. And then we submit it. And then the local host will say it uploads successfully. And you'll see that it's already like added here. The image has already been updated, the date, and also the quantity, the name. And if like we want to decrease the quantity, we can just edit here, like say maybe 2 left. That so that is
That one is to update the stock lah kan?
yes, this one to update the stock. So and that is all for the artist. I think next can we go to Kelvin, where he can talk about the customer next lah.
Yeah, log out.
Right.
Yeah, we register the customer. Click here. Yeah, username say Jordan. Full name Jordan also. And then email jordan@gmail.com. And then the password 12345. And then register. Don't know which customer. And then we go back to the login page. Use Jordan username 12345 for the password. Oh yeah, this is all from the in the customer homepage. You'll see all the uploaded uploaded images from other artists. And then there's a buy button and then wishlist button to add to their wishlist. You click buy, and the wishlist you can view it. Yeah, just click randomly. You can see your purchase history and then the wishlist. we still haven't done when we click buy and then the quantity will decrease like that for the coding. And
Okay,
and
for
also
the payment, I believe to handle payment transactions, it's in the second part lah. Okay, the prototype extension part number 2, so you can complete that one.
yeah.
But then the wish list, is it functioning well?
We just haven't added the remove function for it yet.
No remove function. What else?
The artists also we have not removed their art yet also. Those two we haven't added remove function for both of them.
Okay. What else? Any more pending?
When you click buy one of them. Click buy for the first one. The quantity doesn't go down, so we also need to fix that.
Okay. Is there any more to show?
No, I think this is all for the part 1
Yeah, all the part one.
requirements.
Okay. So Farah, how much did you contribute in this prototype? Did you add anything from what Noel has started?
Mostly like 20%, something very
Which
low
part,
lah.
can you show me which part that you add into the project?
The one I add, like the one in the, I forgot where's,
The web form.
yeah, the web form,
For which one? Artist,
the customer one.
customer.
The customer only.
Perhaps you
Very,
can do
yeah, design lah, but actually kan, for like full design, I'm planning it to make it until part 2, so like it's easier for like to see the whole thing without like go back and forth.
You get marks for choosing appropriate data controls, kan?
Yeah.
Okay, so any other things that you add on to what Noel has started?
For me, no lah.
No.
Very
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, how about Kelvin?
I did it together with the Noel. The add
which one?
the register login, the register, and then all the adding things are all the one to insert like uploading,
Like the
pay,
SQL, that one.
then purchase need to buy order, those they all need to add insert things. Those things are I help do. The update mostly is Noah doing the edit.
Yeah, the edit and update.
Okay. I'm being generous now because I want all my students to pass. Because even the prototype is 40%. 40%, that is quite high also. So if you only contribute that little, I think you will get fail mark for the prototype lah, Farah. So how about you continue? I give you time to continue add on to what is not finished, okay, for the prototype, and you alert me. Okay, let me know.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Let me see. One more thing. Because I see it in the chat box, Kelvin asked about whether you all can do manual without using create wizard. But I see that you all are using the login control.
We are not. We use the manually put the things.
Are
like
you talking
put the text.
about the SQL?
We put the text box and then we use text box. Those things we don't use the create wizard.
You all didn't use any of the login control, drag and drop?
I don't think so.
Oh my goodness, that's the simplest. There's no need for you to
because because we didn't know how to register.
It still can function.
No, we didn't know how to put the roles into the ASP.NET, the membership.
Even without the role, it can still function.
Without the role, it can function, but without the role, we don't know how to make it go to one page or another page. So we stuck at the first step along. How to redirect to the other which page? Yeah.
Kelvin, have you tried to do the practical on the membership and role management? Macam belum lagi kan?
No, the membership, the role management. I see the authorization, right? I see the authentication or authorization. I see it says admin and student, but it only validates the username. So I see so when I see that, I was like, so it's like that cannot do roles though. I think
you can still hard coded it can. Like if you already created Jordan, then deny Jordan, allow Jordan.
What allow deny?
The one
the authorization.
yeah, the authorization. I forgot already the code.
But in the web config, you need to don't I need to like manually put in the name after that?
Let's look at your table. Okay, I use show table.
Show okay.
Mana your user? Oh, there ada Jordan. So that is your username. Don't you think you can use it in your web config already?
No, I can't. It's like I cannot separate them with the role and between the role and artist. Like if the web config lah, like I don't know how to auto update it. Like auto update the Jordan inside the web config to allow or deny him access to the folders, those things.
Okay, Jordan is a customer. Okay. Do you allow Jordan to click into the artist page?
No.
No. So in that case, you should place all the pages for the artist in a SP folder for artists, and then the web config in that particular SP folder. Then you should deny all the customers. You can list out all the customers that you have created. That is hard coding it. If you don't want to like really do the populate your role table and so on.
Yeah, we didn't know that method. It's just like.
So now does it seems easier?
It seems easier if we know how to do, but I think we just keep our manual coding since we don't want to undo our progress again.
Oh yeah, Russell, I can do that, right?
What?
No, I'm asking Russell.
Oh.
The one that I suggested to Kelvin just now. I can do that, right? So say I already created Jordan, and then for my role authorization, Jordan for the artists, for all the pages for the artists, the web config for that particular files in the artist folder, I can like deny Jordan.
Only Jordan though.
Then you can add in the other customer that you have
but
manually add.
Yeah, we like when you click register, and then we need to go back to web config and edit the deny again.
Or you only deny unlock user lah.
Because the lecture note, like I see the example like admin and then student. I cannot. I see like, but this is not feasible for our assignment, so I just give up on create the wizard already like that. And then I didn't check for the one you posted that. So we just decide to do manually. I was like, do this. We just forget about the create wizard like that. Yeah.
But,
Is this?
that is what you all are supposed to apply in your assignment.
Yeah.
But
Still
then
we deduct mark.
anyhow, I already double checked the assignment. Oh, I think I need to check the rubrics. Oh ya kan, Russell, you're using session verbal. Yeah, boleh juga, no problem with that. Okay, let me see the rubrics. I need to confirm first. So Noel is here. Rubrics. So for the rubrics, yeah, it did mention about mention clearly about using login controls.
Oh, so we must use login control.
No. It doesn't clearly mention that you must use login
Oh,
controls.
we can do our own way. So also deduct, no deduct mark, right?
Masih okay lah.
Yeah.
But then it's already there. I'm wondering why you all didn't use it.
We didn't see. We didn't click on it.
But then you need to select a good use of data bound controls. So Farah, you can do that one, right? Because
The data bound.
the data bound controls are the customer, the design. You want to change it, right? So
Yeah.
perhaps you can choose other data bound controls to display it nicely.
Okay.
Okay, so I think that's it for the prototype demo. Unless Noel, you have anything to add? Is he here? I saw him just now. So are you still there or are you at home already?
Yeah, are you there or at home?
Oh, at home already. Okay, so I'll stop the recording. Thank you so much.
Should I stop presenting or?
Yeah.